I'm making my Strawberry Glow Smoothie. It's one of my favourite smoothies in the morning to nourish myself and my husband. This is what we have for breakfast, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. So this is loaded with antioxidants as well and protein. So I've got around a whole punnet of strawberries here, and it's got to be, the more strawberries the better for me. And vitamin C as well, which is important. And I've got a little bit of avocado, about a quarter of an avocado, or a half if you want more. I've also got 2 generous tablespoons of healthy chef protein, and that's going to give you a nice good 30 grams of protein. I just like to put a spoonful of our immune support in there with vitamin C and vitamin D, and some almond milk. Almond milk's really important for me, but you can always use water, and some ice. And last but not least, just some dates, but you can sweeten it with stevia, but I like a few dates for that extra bit of goodness. And just blend. It's almost like a really thick, creamy gelato-like. Look at that. Full of antioxidants, full of protein, full of healthy fats from the avo. Look at that, beautiful. What a beautiful breakfast. My delicious Strawberry Glow Smoothie. Yummo. So enjoy this every morning and you're going to feel fantastic. Cheers.